Namaste Bulbulians, hope that you all are fit and fine at your home and studying well and taking care of yourself and your parents and using your time constructively. Well, in my previous video, I started a new topic from your English grammar, and the name of that topic is article writing. And in that video, we discussed the format of an article, and also I shared some useful tips to make your article writing more effective. So here in this video I will discuss some articles, we will practice some articles, right? So to save your time, I have already written the statement on the board, okay? So first of all, the first thing that you have to do while writing an article is that you have to read the statement very carefully, right? So let's start. Write an article in about 20 words on river pollution. So what the statement says? The statement says that you have to write an article on river pollution. So what is the topic of your article writing? River pollution, okay? And as I told you that words limit is very important. You have to stick to the words limit. So you may use clues given below. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको you have given some clues here, and you have to use those clues in your article writing, right? So what is the words limit? Words limit is 120 words. So let's start. Rivers biggest source of water. Okay, victims of pollution, industrial waste, city waste, drained into them, religious ceremonies, idols, emotions, garlands and flowers, ashes after cremation fall into water. So all these clues can be used in this article, okay? It's upon you that you are using these clues or not, okay? So let's start. So first of all, the first thing you have to write is the title or heading. So what is the heading? River pollution. Okay, and as I told you that the first letters, every first letter should be capital, okay, in the heading, right? So river pollution, and the second thing is byline, and in byline you have to write your own name. So here I am writing my own name, okay? Okay, so now in first para we have to give the introduction, and the introduction should be eye-catching, okay? It should draw the attention of the readers. Readers should think that this particular topic relates to me, right? So let's start. The rivers are the biggest source of fresh water, they are therefore a lifeline for survival. It is really sad to see that most of the rivers are increasingly being polluted. Because of our negligence and irresponsibility. introduction of the topic, and in this para we have introduced our topic river pollution. Okay, and now we will start our second para. As I told you, in our second para we will give causes, okay, and we will give some consequences of some social issue. So it is also a social issue for us, right? So here we will give develop our content, and we will give some causes and consequences of river pollution. Okay, so let's start. Untreated sewage and waste from the industries are continuously dumped into rivers. Religious ceremonies are also responsible for the river pollution. So all these hints are already given, and we are using all these things in our article, right? So immersion of idols, disposal of garlands and flowers are polluting the water, right? And the last one, as is after cremation poured into river, similarly ashes after cremation means Daha Sanskar, okay, are also poured into river, right? So these were the causes of river pollution. Okay, now we will discuss some consequences, right? So river pollution can pose a serious threat to the both environment and human health. Right? And then continuous river pollution can disturb the ecological balance and lead to the loss of biodiversity. So in this particular para, in para number 2, we discussed about the causes and consequences of river pollution, and now we will write the third para, and as I told you that it is concluding para, and in this para we will give the conclusion, we will give some suggestions. Okay, so I think there is no more place for writing the third para, so let me rub this first. Okay, so now we will give some suggestions. Okay, so let's start. River pollution a critical problem. Okay, and the government must implement necessary steps to mitigate it, and we should also be aware about it, right? About it. So here in this last para, we have discussed some suggestion that government should implement some rules, right? And government should take some necessary steps to stop it, right? And we also should aware about it. So we have given some suggestion here in the concluding para. So this is all about this article. So now we will write one another article here. Okay, first of all let me write the statement. Okay, and as I told you that you have to stick to the words limit. Okay, if words limit is given in the statement, then you have to stick to the word limit, otherwise you can write according to you. Okay, if there is no words limit given in the statement, you can write according to you. Okay, so let's start. Article number 2. Okay, so cruelty to animals is growing day by day. Due to human greed, this is not good for the ecosystem. Animals who are part of our life you have been asked to write an article live and let live. Okay, this is the title of the article. In order awareness. So here is the statement of the article. Cruelty to animals is growing day by day due to human greed. This is not good for the ecosystem. Animals too are a part of our life, and you have been asked to write an article, Live and Let Live, in order to create awareness. So here is the statement, okay. So you have to write an article on the topic Live and Let Live, okay. So let's start. So first of all, the title, the heading, okay, and the first letter of every word of the heading should be in capital. Live and let live, right? And the byline. So this time I am writing here. Okay. So in the first para we have to give the introduction of our topic, introduction of our issue. Okay. So let's start. God created this world not for the benefit of mankind, alone. No doubt today man is the master of the earth. He has tamed even tigers, elephants and cobras, right? But his brain superiority doesn't mean that he has the right to hunt down all kinds and species of animals. So this is the introduction, okay. As I told you, introduction should be eye-catching, it should be interesting, right? So now here we will give more information about this topic in our second para, okay. We will give some consequences, we will give some reasons why animals are being hunted, right? So let's start. Animals normally live in forest. They don't attack us unless we provoke them, right? We provoke them. They are afraid of us. Afraid of us. They serve some useful purposes and we are using them for our pleasure, entertainment and convenience. Right? Okay. This is man's cruelty to animals. So, killing them for pleasure, or for their skin and bone is a sin and crime. Okay? So we have given some causes, okay, and we have given some reasons here in the second para, and now we have to give some suggestions, okay, in the third para, in the concluding para here. Okay, so let's start the third para. Animals are equally precious and should equally share God's land. Okay, and we need to learn to live together not only with our fellow beings here means with human, okay, but also with animals. In other words, we should live ourselves and let others also live in peace. Coexistence should be our motto, right? So here we have given some suggestion in the third para, okay? So this is all about the article number 2. In the first para we give the introduction. In second para we give some consequences or causes, right? And in the third para we gave some suggestions, okay? We gave some suggestions. So here there was not any words limit, so we can write article according to us, okay, according to our capacity, but minimum 100 to 120 words should be there. If any words limit then you have to stick to the words limit. Okay, and in my next video we will practice some more articles. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.